Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my world. Today I am decorating my grad cap. This is something I've always wanted to do for graduation. I wasn't able to do it for high school because my school didn't allow us to decorate our grad caps. So for college, I decided it would be a fun idea to decorate my college grad cap. Basically, I'm deciding to rhinestone my whole entire grad cap. Originally, I was gonna pay someone to do it, but it's kind of expensive and I'm a broke college student, so we're going to DIY this. It's probably gonna take a long time, but I hope it turns out great. For the materials that I'm using to decorate my grad cap, I bought different sized rhinestones. I'm using blue and gold for the text, and then I also got these iridescent silver rhinestones for the background. And then I also got this tool right here. It has a wax tip that helps me pick up the rhinestones. The glue that I'm using, E6000 glue. This glue is very toxic. I didn't realize how toxic it was. It says it may cause cancer. That's why I have my trusty face mask to help me stay protected while gluing all the rhinestones. So this is what I have for my grad cap right now. 1 degree hotter, and then my name at the bottom with the year that I'm graduating from. The other day my mom helped me print out the wording, then she used an X-Acto knife to cut it finely. We decided to glue the paper onto the cap, and I did watch some videos prior of people rhinestoning their grad caps. Some traced out the design on their grad caps, other people printed out the design on paper and glued it on the cap, and it turned out fine. Because I'm rhinestoning it, no one is gonna see the paper, so it shouldn't be too big of a deal. But anyways, let's get started with decorating my grad cap. Okay, so we're gonna start with this right now. I can do this. I can do this. I'm just gonna like do a small white layer. Guys, I'm a beginner, okay? So let's just see how that goes. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually like not that bad picking up the rhinestones. This is gonna take forever though. I already know that. I'm trying to rhinestone my whole entire grad cap, you guys. Yes, I'm extra, but I just want it to be sparkly and cute. I think I did a pretty good job. I'm going to put this video on time lapse and finish the rest of these words. Day 2 decorating my grad cap, and this is all that I've completed so far. It looks so gorgeous, you guys. Like, look at the sparkle. It's gonna look really good once I do the whole entire cap. I didn't think how time consuming it would be, honestly. I knew it would take a while since I was like, I want my entire grad cap rhinestoned. I want it to sparkle, but it truly is a labor of love. I thought I would be able to finish all of the wording yesterday, but the word degree took forever, and by the time I finished degree, I was just like, yeah, I'm not going to try and do the rest right now. It's just too much. My plan for today is to finish Potter and my name, and then do some of the clear background. Let's just see how long this takes me. I don't know how many days it's gonna take me to finish this cap, but it's gonna look so good once it's completely done. Let's get back to decorating with the time lapse. Update, I finished all of the words. I started doing some of the background right here for my name. The sparkles are everything. Oh my gosh, it's looking good, you guys. It's looking so good, and I can't wait to see the finished product. But anyways, my camera's about to die, so I'll get back to you guys later. Happy day 3 of decorating my grad cap. I'm in a new location because it's Christmas Eve and I'm currently at my grandma's house in Vegas, but I still have to decorate my grad cap, so this is what we left off with so far. I got so much done on day 2, you guys. It's looking so good. I'm pretty much close to halfway done, and my goal is to probably get up to right here for the background, right under 1, but I feel like I'm going to finish this grad cap in 2 days. I thought it was gonna take me a lot longer to bedazzle my whole grad cap, but we'll see how much I get through for day 3. I feel like I'll finish in 4 days, which is really good. I finished where I wanted to leave off of, and I just have this little space left. I'm so excited, it's almost done. I'm gonna leave it for tomorrow to do. I can really finish this in 3 days today, but it's Christmas Eve and I've been rhinestoning all day. So I'll see you guys on the last day. Happy day 4 and last day of me decorating my grad cap. We are almost done, you guys. We're on the home stretch. I just have this little part left to do and my grad cap will be officially complete. I'm so surprised by how fast it's taken me to actually complete the grad cap. So let's just get straight into the time lapse and finish my grad cap. And we are done. Okay, grad cap reveal in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Look how sparkly she is. I'm obsessed. I did something here, you guys. I'm so happy. Like, this came out so good. This looks professionally done. Chef's kiss. 10 out of 10. I should start a business. I just feel very accomplished that I actually did it. I was really hesitant about rhinestoning my grad cap myself, but now I just feel like this is my baby. Like, I did this myself and I feel proud about it. I saved a lot of money by doing it myself rather than paying someone to do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, if you're considering rhinestoning your own grad cap, do it. You can start way ahead and it doesn't really take that much if you just spend a lot of time just doing it every day. It only took me 4 days, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same way.